Hello everyone, today is day 5 and today we will learn about office conversations. Generally we all suffer in this or we struggle in it. When we go to office, we really need to communicate very well. So today we are going to focus on office conversations. And those who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And again, the same pattern I will follow. I will say the same sentence 3 times. Very slow, then a bit higher speed, and then in a fluent way. So you will repeat after me the way I will be speaking. Let us begin. So herein, the first sentence is आज मेरी मीटिंग है. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. कृपया अपना ईमेल चेक करें. Please check your email. Please check your email. Please check your email. मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करूंगा. I will call you later. I will call you later. I will call you later. इस पर चर्चा करते हैं. Let's discuss this. Let's discuss this. Let's discuss this. यह जरूरी है. This is urgent. This is urgent. This is urgent. मैं आपको अपडेट करूंगा. I will update you. I will update you. I will update you. डेडलाइन कल है. The deadline is tomorrow. The deadline is tomorrow. The deadline is tomorrow. मैं इस पर काम कर रहा हूँ. I am working on it. I am working on it. I am working on it. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. I need some time. मुझे confirm करने दे. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. काम हो गया है. The work is done. The work is done. The work is done. एक समस्या है. There is a problem. There is a problem. There is a problem. हम इसे ठीक कर लेंगे. We will fix it. We will fix it. We will fix it. कृपया सहयोग करें. Please cooperate. Please cooperate. Please cooperate. आपके सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. अच्छा काम. Good job. Good job. Good job. ऐसे ही करते रहो. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. So these are 20 important sentences that we use in our office. So try practicing them again and again. Repeat after me, stand in front of the mirror and use these sentences. And you will see a noticeable change in the way you communicate. So stay tuned for the another day. And if you are new again to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.